What's up, everybody? It's C's Get Degrees here again, and today we're going to be looking at Hax CMS and my experience with it. So this is a new CMS for me. It's my first time using it, but by far this was the most intuitive CMS that I've used. Everything just kind of made sense, like as far as like what the different buttons did. It was like it's just super self-explanatory. So I guess first I'll just walk through it. I created a little course on how to play football for dummies. It's mostly for comedy. There is some things that'll make sense, but you have the field. You got your down and distance. You get to watch AB Mortal Kombat finishing move, the Browns punter. You got your offense. You got your defense. Here's a video of OBJ, even though he's an offensive player. If you read it, it'll make sense. We got the zebras. Here's a pretty accurate description of the zebra. And then a little how to watch segment. But so getting into my experience with it, the first thing that I tried to do immediately was I just clicked this pencil thing because I figured that'd be edit. And the only thing that I didn't understand how to do was get this to change. So it was frustrating to me that I couldn't change the header with the edit button. All I could change was, or I create paragraphs and add GIFs or GIFs, however you want to pronounce it. I'll get to how to change the header later, but one of the really cool parts for me, or I liked it a lot at least, was this little find feature. So I just went to Giphy and I could search anything. So I searched football, and I got the little minion GIF of the minion kicking the other minion instead of the football on accident. And then for the other ones, I just looked up I actually found the AB kick by looking for the Odell kick. I was trying to find him kicking the field goal net. But yeah, it was just super self-explanatory, really easy to use. So that was cool. I figured that I found the way to change the heading was actually to go into site outline, and this is how I added the different pages. But all you have to do is click it. So I could change how to play football for dummies for just I'm a dummy. I know there's supposed to be a B in it, but that's kind of the point. But so yeah, I mean, it's just really self-explanatory to use. I'm going to switch this back here. Hey. Sorry, this is taking longer than expected. So yeah, I mean, let's think what else. I didn't really have any issues with the site, honestly. The only thing that I couldn't figure out how to do was change the header from just clicking edit. But yeah, everything was super self-explanatory. It was really easy to use. Being able to add the GIFs in so easily was also pretty cool. So all in all, I have just really positive feedback about this. It was easily the most intuitive CMS that I've used. I probably said that already, but I figured I'd just reiterate it. So I hope that you guys learned something about Hax CMS. Maybe you'll be enticed to try it. I think that it's definitely worth looking at. So thanks for listening. This has been C's Get Degrees signing off.